Hello, it's Katherine Greenland from Greenland Consulting, bringing you synergistic solutions for a world in transition. I'm excited to be with you on September 19th for the 2019 USA-Canada Lions Leadership Forum. I've spent some time with your event chair Paul Bledsoe and his team talking about the event, and it sounds like you're all in for a real treat. I'm looking forward to talking with you about the Millennial mindset. According to the Pew Research Center, Millennials are now between the ages of 20 and 38 years old and are the largest living generation. After this event, you will take home 5 key strategies for captivating the younger generation, for empowering them to serve in their communities, meet humanitarian needs, encourage peace, and promote international understanding. I'll see you there.